In this short video, I'll show you how to redeem an Amazon gift card. Official Amazon gift cards are 15 characters in length. If yours is not, you probably have a promotional code, which has to be redeemed from the issuer's website in order to receive the actual Amazon gift card. Okay, to start, go to amazon.com/gc/redeem. In the text box, enter the code without dashes. Then click Apply to your balance when done. On this next page, I can confirm that this $50 gift card is now in my account. And just so you know, Amazon will automatically use the gift card money on the next order. But let me add something to my cart and show you how to save the gift card for a future purchase. So now I'll proceed to checkout. Here, I can see that the $50 gift card has been automatically applied to this order. To use my credit card only, I'll click Change in the Payment Methods section. At the bottom of the screen where it says Your Available Balance, I can uncheck the blue box next to the gift card balance to use it on a different order. And here's a final note. You can actually add more than one gift card to your account. The gift card money will just accumulate with each card you redeem. However, you can't share gift card money. The full amount can only be deposited to a single customer's account. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.